Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. All warm welcome to my YouTube temple, warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, without any delay, let's start with Shri Chaitanya Charitamrit Adi Leela, first chapter and third verse, 1.3. So, what the Upanishads describe as the impersonal Brahman is but the effulgence of his body, and the Lord known as the Super Soul is but his localized plenary portion. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna Himself, full with six opulences. He is the absolute truth, and no other truth is greater than or equal to Him. यद अद्वैतम ब्रह्म उपनिषदि तद अपि अस्य तनुभा य आत्मन अंतर्यामी पुरुष इति सो अस्य अंश विभावा सद ऐश्वर्य पूर्ण य भगवान इह स स्वयं अयम न चैतन्यात् कृष्ण जगति पर तत्वम परम इह. Now the author Krishan Das Kaviraj Goswami is establishing with great stress that Na Chaitanyat Krishnat Jagati Para Tattvam Para Iha. There is no greater truth than Krishna Chaitanya. We are after truth. So here the author of Chaitanya Charitamrit, he is asserting that here is the supreme truth. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Na Chaitanyat Krishnat, Krishnat, because Krishna has appeared as Krishna Chaitanya. We have explained this truth yesterday or in my last lecture. I explained this truth. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Na Chaitanyat Krishnat, because Krishna has appeared as Krishna Chaitanya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's declaration is Vairagya Vidya Nij Bhakti Yogam Shiksha Arthakam Eka Purusha Purana. Shiksha Artham Eka Purusha Purana. Purusha Purana. Purusha Purana is Krishna. Purusha. He is Purusha and Purna Adyam. He is original person. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamham Bhajami. In many Vedic literature, Krishna is described as the Purna Purusha, the oldest. Purna Purusha Nav Yovanam Cha. Purna Purusha Nav Yovanam Cha. Although he is the oldest of all, he is always like fresh youth. Nav Yovanam Cha. So how it is possible? They are trying to understand God. Sometimes they paint the picture of God as very old man because he is the original person. So by this time he must have become very old. This is imagination. This is not actually the form of the Lord. The form of the Lord is there in the Brahma Samhita and other Vedic literatures. Even Shankaracharya, who is an impersonalist, he has accepted Lord Krishna as the Supreme Narayan. In his comment on Bhagavad Gita, he says Narayana Para Avyaktat. Narayan is beyond this material creation. And while describing Narayan, he has affirmed Sa Bhagwan Swayam Krishna. That Narayan is Krishna. And he has clearly mentioned, now he has appeared as the son of Devaki and Vasudev to confirm, just like identification is confirmed when the father's name is there. So Krishna is Paratattva accepted by all acharyas. We are not talking of the fools and rascals who are theorizing without any knowledge. We are all concerned with the authorities. So authorities, especially in India, the whole Vedic system is being followed by the people under the authorities of the Acharya. Acharyavan Purusho Veda. One who is following the path of the Acharyas, he knows. One who is following the path of the Acharyas, he knows. Acharyavan Purusho. Acharyas, he knows. Acharyavan Purusho Veda. We cannot accept anyone as authority if he does not follow the parampara. Disciplic succession of Acharya. That is the Vedic system. Evam parampara praptam imam rajrishyo vidu. Evam parampara praptam rajrishyo vidu. So Krishna is paratattva. Na chaitanyat krishnat jagati paratattvam param iha. He is very emphatically asserting that there is no more greater truth than Krishna and Krishna Chaitanya. So according to the Vedic system, if you say something very emphatically, you must prove by Vedic evidences. Otherwise you can go on talking. Nobody will hear. Sometimes people ask about Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that what is the Vedic evidences. So that Vedic evidences will be given in later chapters of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Hari Bol. He is not falsely asserting. Kaviraj Goswami is very advanced devotee and scholar. He is not ordinary human being. He was empowered by Madan Mohan. So nobody should try to write any Vedic literature. Vedic literature means the Shruti Samriti Puran. They are Vedic literature. Therefore, Srila Rupa Goswami has also confirmed Shruti Samriti Puran Adi Pancharatri ki vidim vina एकांतकी हरेर भक्ति उत्पातेव कल्पते. Utpat, simply disturbance. Yatomat tatopat. I can manufacture my own way. This rascaldom has been condemned by Srila Rupa Goswami. He says that Harer Bhakti, you will find so many called bhaktas crying, falling down to the ground, but immediately after he is smoking bidi. So why this is going on? Because they do not follow the injunction of Srila Rupa Goswami. Chanting, dancing very loudly, and after the performance is finished, I have seen it. Can you give me a bidi? You see, my throat is now dried up. So this is Utpata. Srila Rupa Goswami has described this kind of so-called devotional attitude is simply disturbance. They imitate. Therefore, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur has condemned. There are so many apasampradaya going on in the name of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's devotee. Who are they? Aula, Baula, Kartabhaja, Neda, Darvesha, Sani, Sahajya, Sakhi Bheki, Samartha, Jata Gosani, then Ativadi, Chudadhari, Gorang Nagari, Tota kahe ye tara sange nahi kori. Tota Babaji, he says, I do not associate with these classes of men. So after disappearance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so many apasampradaya sprang up. So we should be very much careful that sampradaya means who are carefully following the Vedic principles. Therefore, Kaviraj Goswami, although asserting the truth, he is prepared to give Vedic evidences. Now he has begun. The Vedas, they begin with the Upanishad, Vedanta Sutra. Upanishad, they are all Vedic literature, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata. They are all Vedic literatures, four Vedas, Sama, Yajur, Rig, Atharva. Then the Upanishad, then the Vedanta Sutra, then Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam and Vedanta Sutra is the same thing. It is explanation. Therefore, at the end of each chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, it is stated by Vyasadeva, Brahma Sutrasya Bhashya. Srimad Bhagavatam means comment on the Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra is the gist code of all Vedic literature, and then it is explained Athato Brahma Jigyasa. That is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Jigyasa, Tattva Jigyasa. Jigyasa for the living being. The only business is to inquire about the absolute truth. That is the only business. People are in trouble because they have given up their real business. Human life is meant for this business, Brahma Jigyasa, to inquire about the absolute truth. We have been given so many facilities by nature. There are so many living entities. They are standing on the ground for many years. The trees, the plants and the aquatics, for many years they are in the water. The flies and insects, for many years they are in that condition. And gradually by evolution we come to this form of human life. Especially the Aryans, the advanced civilized human being, he has got all the facilities. The uncivilized men live in the jungle and they cannot utilize the resources. So therefore Narottam Das Thakur, in very simple, there is one song, Bengali song of Narottam Das Thakur. He says, Hari Hari Vifle Janam Gavail. This is our life. We have got this human form of life, but we are simply spoiling it. This is the whole situation. In our this movement, we are traveling all over the world, and according to our views, how they are spoiling their very valuable human life in this false identification. And what is this false identification? I am this body. Everyone in big names, I am American, I am Indian, I am German, I am this, I am that, and they are spoiling their life under this bodily concept of life. According to Shastra, one who is identifying himself, this body, that is the first instruction of this Bhagavad Gita. Of the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna brought Arjuna to fight with the Kurus, and he identified himself as this body, and therefore he thought, killing of my cousin brothers, it will not be good, because I have got bodily relation. So to dissipate this conception of life, that is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. Krishna chastised him, Arjuna, Ashocyan anvashochastvam pragna vadamasche bhashyase. We are talking very big talks. Very big talks and plans, but actually we are nothing better than cats and dogs. This is our position because we are identifying with this body. My country, my community, my society, my family, aham mameti, jivasya moho ayam aham mameti. Jivasya moho ayam mameti. They do not know. This is the ignorance. Basic ignorance. I and my. I am this body, and anything in relationship with this body, with the body, is mine. This is ignorance. But this ignorance is going on all over the world. That's a fact. This in ignorance. Therefore, in the beginning, the author said, Vande Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Suhaditau Gaudodaye Pushpavantau Chitrau Sandau Tamonadau. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, both of them have come to deliver these fallen souls of this material world who are in the darkness of conception. So they are fighting all over the world with this darkness. Just now somebody told me that like in one of the lectures Guru Maharaj told, like Guru Maharaj was saying that someone told him that there was a king of Arabia and he has been killed. So Guru Maharaj was talking about this Srila Prabhupada ji, Swamiji. He is killed. Jai Gurudev, Jai Gurudev. He is killed now by his own nephew or somebody else. So in this modern era of Kali Yuga, you know, this is going on. Even in family affairs, it is going on. Why this darkness? Aham mameti, janasya mo ayam aham mameti. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, along with his associates Nityananda Prabhu, Advait Prabhu, Gadadhar Prabhu and Shivasari Gaur Bhaktarind, they are trying to dissipate the darkness of this false identification. Krishna simply instructed Arjuna. What did he instructed? That about this darkness of identity, and he punished him, he chastised him, he told him Ashocyan Anvushuchas Tavam Pragniv Vadams Cha Bhashyase. You are talking very big words, but you are lamenting on a subject matter on which no learned person laments. Krishna told Arjun, you are talking like Pandit and you are lamenting on these kind of subject matters on which no learned man laments. Gatasun agatasums cha na shuchanti pandita, nanu shuchanti pandita. That means you are fool number one. Pandita, no Pandita makes like that. Now try to understand what is this position. Then he said, Dehun asmin yatha dehe komaram yovanam jara tatha dehantar prapati dhiras tatna muhati. Dhiras tatna muhati. First of all, try to understand what you are. That is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. It is no politics. It is knowledge, pure knowledge. Bhagavad Gita is pure knowledge. The politicians take advantage of it. The sociologists, the so-called swamis, yogis, they take advantage of it and try to prove their all nonsensical theories. But it is not at all Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita as it is pure knowledge. Beginning with the first knowledge, one has to understand that he is not this body. Because this is the basic principle of all ignorance. I am this body, I am American, I am Indian, I am Brahman, I am this, I am that is the basic principle. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also says the same thing in a different way. He says, I am not a Brahman, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Vaishya, I am not a Shudra, I am not a Brahmachari, I am not a Grista, I am not a Vanprastha, I am not a Sannyasi. These are negation. Then what is the positive? He says, Gopi Bhartu Pad Kamleor Das Dasanu Das. I am the servant of the servant of the servant of the Gopi Bhartu. Krishna, who maintains the gopis. So this is our identification, but we have forgotten our identification. कृष्ण भूलिया जी भोगवांछा करे पाछे ताई माया तारे जापोटी अधरे. We have forgotten our real relationship with Krishna and we are trying to be happy in this material world by this material adjustment. This is modern civilization. One is thinking, if I get such nice house, nice motor car, nice business, nice bank balance, nice wife, nice children, this is material civilization. But they do not know, despite all these things, he will never be happy. Now, like Europeans and Americans, they have got all good qualification. Our Guru Maharaj described many times that they are not very much interested with all these nice things, so called nice things. Real nice thing is spiritual understanding. That nice thing begins Aham Brahmasmi. I am not this body. That is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. Krishna is instructing Arjuna that you are not this body, you are spirit soul. Try to understand. So we should learn from Krishna. We should learn from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself. Therefore the author says that you accept this authority. Na Chaitanyat Krishnat param paratattvam param iha. Paratattvam para iha. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. If you want knowledge, then you have missed already, because when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared 500 years ago, people already became fools and rascals. They did not care for the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, he again came as a devotee of Krishna to teach us how to serve Krishna, how to love Krishna. Hari bol, Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai, Jai, Jai. So this Krishna consciousness is how to love Krishna. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's cult. The same thing, when Krishna appeared, he said, Sarv dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braj. Give up everything, so-called rascaldom. Just surrender to me. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said the same thing as a devotee. Yare dakhe tare kaha Krishna upadesh. He did not say anything new. That is the authenticity. I have manufactured some way. They are all rascal dog. The same thing you can, just like in any country they say old wine in a new bottle. So similarly, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is teaching the same thing. Krishna says, Mata paratram nanyat kinchi astit dhananjaya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says the same thing. Yare dakhe tare kaha Krishna upadesh. And we are also saying the same thing. Na Krishna Chaitanyat paratattvam. There is no more superior truth than Krishna Chaitanya. Why? Because he is talking the same truth as Krishna said. That is called parampara system. What Krishna said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said the same thing, and we are talking the same thing. So there is no difficulty to understand the absolute truth. Not different way, it is directly. Krishna says directly that you surrender to me, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that you preach this cult. Yare dekha tare kaha Krishna upadesh. The same thing, we are not going to teach anything which is not spoken by Krishna and which is not supported by Sri Krishna Chaitanya Deva. This is our principle. This is Krishna consciousness movement. Krishna preached Krishna himself. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached the same principle. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. And we are preaching the same thing. We do not preach anything else. We do not manufacture anything. That is not our business. So by the grace of Krishna, by the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these all Europeans, boys and girls, they have joined this movement under the soliciting of our Guru Maharaj Srila Prabhupada ji. He went to their country with this word only. He did not show any magic. Neither he told us that neither he had any knowledge. But we should not take it otherwise. And he meant to say he did not have any knowledge how to play magic, and that is not possible. And he is telling Swami A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada, he is telling that I am only repeating the same thing. Evam parampara praptam raj rishyo vidu. The one knowledge from Krishna which is coming through disciplic succession, and from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu supported this, and he is a disciple in this Guru Parampara, and we should neither forget that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is God himself. Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna nahi anya, Radha and Krishna combined together. And then Srila Prabhupada ji is saying, I simply repeat the same thing, that here is Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead. Here is Krishna Chaitanya Deva, the devotional form of Krishna. Because he comes in this modern age, era of Kali Yuga, just this 538 537 years ago approximately. Why he comes in Kali Yuga? To teach us that how we should do devotion in this modern era of Kali Yuga. So here is Krishna Chaitanya Deva, the devotional form of Krishna. You accept them, your life will be successful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Very good.